You know when you just want a chill beach day in the grill? That's not about getting drunk or losing your hearing with music, because girl, the seaweed had definitely come in. But that can't stop me from the good vibes. I just want to come to the beach to hear the waves and unwind. Maybe even eat a few almonds.
Why would you just leave this on the beach?
But it's a new day. Might get caught up in a new wave. Shop the track up in a new ways. If it at me